Ay, Paul, wag dito. Kailangan sa side.
You're not playing.
Who's on that side?
Yeah.
So that was Casey.
Do sa other side. Sa other side.
Casey, stand up.
Doon sa other side. Oh, prepare on. Only for players.
No, we put the shot in the bottle in the
Oh, shoot the straw.
Casey, open your bottle.
Hey, guys.
I only have this big ass thing, that's why.
For guest man. You got a guy
Hey, behind me, bro.
Hawakan ko battle mo.
How many is this now?
Huh?
How many?
2.
Okay, good. Yung straw mo, make it straight.
Ashley, don't help me. Ano yung can you use the hands?
Makakaya may coach ah.
Mm-hmm.
No hands?
Yeah, no hands.
No hands now.
20 bucks.
20.
Calculate mo kung gano'ng kalayo dito sa
Game?
Not yet.
Hindi, taas mo yung ano mo, Paul. Hindi mo may susut yung straw. Taas mo yung... Oh, baka kita mo na yan.
Wala. Wala, I swear. Baka di ko naman ma-shoot to.
Richard.
God, yeah, I can breathe. You put on my nose. Breathe. God damn.
Eh, paano makikita yung bote?
Hindi nga, yun yung
That's the
object.
point lang.
Hawakan lang muna nila and then pag-start na.
Oh, okay.
Iwasan. Tatanggalin na.
Hindi, hawakan lang nila bago start. They will
Richard.
touch it and then
Shit.
after that, no hands.
God damn, I can't breathe.
Okay.
Pato,
You gotta hold
so
it
you
back.
know, first,
Okay.
you know,
And when we start,
so
you gotta let
that's,
go.
Casey, hold the
you gotta
bottle.
let go and
Casey.
then,
Mamaya!
can't move.
Huwag mo kapain!
Bakit ka? Kala ko ba pwedeng kapain?
hindi, oh,
Hawak mo muna, hawakan mo. Lahat hold the bottle, all hold the bottle first.
when you say go,
Release the hand.
Okay,
Oh, game.
go!
Go! Release. Oh,
Release the hand.
Richard, what are you doing, Richard?
Oy, go coach! Left or right, left or
Yes,
right.
back more.
Wait, we can coach or not?
Let, balikan left. Yeah. Straight your straw. Your straw is not straight, Casey. Oh.
Yung straight mo yung straw mo, budong.
Up, straight your straw. It's not straight. Up.
Oh,
Higher, Richard, higher!
oh,
Casey, your straw is not straight.
finish it. Come on, hurry up.
Budong, straight mo yung straw mo.
Go,
Budong, straight. Straight.
hurry up, go.
Casey,
Go.
step!
Finish it.
Higher, Casey, higher, 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 higher! Up! Higher, higher, higher!
Oh, we got a winner. Not yet, not yet.
Wala na.
Oh, we got a winner. Casey's the winner. Now Casey's the winner. Casey, finish it first.
Casey was the last one to find him. Busog na busog.
Busog. Susuka na. Gas money. How much?
Panalo ako.
Nanalo si Paul. Nauna si ano? Nauna siya.
20.